Spin Master Monster Jam Bulldozer Series 17. This is the poster for Series 17, a nice shot of Monster Mutt Rottweiler. On the back of the card now we have the other trucks in this series. We have El Toro Loco in the Retro Rebels. It is the chase piece for this series. Also then we have Gravedigger in Sheer Madness. There's Monster Mutt Rottweiler. He is in Rough Crowd. Zombie in Boneyard Trucks. Then we get Dragon, which is in Max Contrast. Earthshaker in Elemental Trucks. Then Dragonoid in Arena Favorites. That one has a little bit different color variation. And then Double Decker, which is in Reckless Trucks. So, the Retro Rebels of Bulldozer. This truck has been around in Monster Jam for a long time now. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. Back here with the wheelie bar. It is gray. And actually there is some detail with like a shock going up there to the wheel back there. That's a kind of cool. This is how you use the wheelie bar. You can put it in the front or the back, how they have it. Let's go ahead. We get the old flotation tires for like old school trucks that they put on. If you got the Target 5-pack of the Max D or Gravedigger, then some of these flotation tires are on some of those trucks. We get a gray chassis, and then also the motor is in the front, if you can see that. Hopefully you can. I really enjoyed the Bulldozer name, how it looks. Monster Jam with the old school looking emblem instead of the newer one. I gotta bring this up a little bit closer so you can see. I can see a different color of fur with the lighter and darker color and shades, and also kind of the hair for the bull. Also there is the teeth for the bull. We can't forget for Bulldozer's white horns up top. They look good. Up here in the front also we get his nostril and his nose ring. There is some chin hair up there, and also there is some different color, a little bit of a darker color, brown, right there. You can see it, and it looks like, I don't know why, hopefully this is not a mistake or anything, but it looks like the bull has eyebrows. Maybe it is supposed to have eyebrows. So let's go ahead to the other side for Bulldozer. There we go. Awesome looking design for Bulldozer. I'll pull this off real quickly. The wheelie bar. It has monsterjam.com. On the back you see some more detail for the fur on the tailgate. It also has the lights. These are the only two trucks that I'm going to get in Series 17 or Mix 17, whichever one you want to call it. The other truck I just unboxed, and that one was Monster Mutt Rottweiler. So hopefully you enjoyed the Bulldozer unboxing and review.